Welcome to my channel. I'm here with another course introduction. Are you ready to build a real-world project and stand out in the job market? With the PHP with MySQL, Build Complete Forum with Admin Panel course, create a professional web app in just a few hours. Learn how to build a secure authentication system, engaging category sections, and a powerful admin panel using PHP and MySQL. From uploading images to managing topic replies, you'll learn everything step by step. This course is packed with practical tips to help you become a professional web developer. Start now and take your coding to the next level. Shine in the world of web development. This course has over 31,000 students and a rating of 4.4, making it successful and practical. Its current price is about €55. Once you purchase the course, you'll have full access and receive future updates. The course lasts 6.5 hours, and you will receive a certificate upon completion. In this course you will learn to set up the necessary tools for building modern web apps. Build a full authentication system. Learn to hash and dehash passwords with PHP. Learn to use advanced PDO queries. Build full topic system. Build complete reply system. Build amazing categories system. Upload images in a professional way. Learn web development tips and tricks. Create full admin panel. Handle validation like a pro and prevent user to sensitive data. Learn to fix bugs along the way of developing this web app. Now I want to offer this amazing course to you for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Then, simply open your browser and search for discountedcourseninja.com in Google. In the results shown to you, click on the link. Make sure the website address matches the one shown here and you'll be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you'll land on the homepage. There, you'll get access to various discount coupons for courses. Use the search bar to look for your desired course. You can also browse categories to find your topics of interest. You'll find our course there. Now scroll down and click the Get the Coupon button to receive your discount. The course will be available for you free of charge. Note that the coupon has a limited time validity. Now, with just a few clicks, you gained free and legal access to this course. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and share it with your friends.